Welcome to Biangscape! Come join me to Auasen Falls in Sigay, Ilocos Sur with a fun side trip to La Union. Isa to sa mga hidden gems ng Ilocos and this is a beginner-friendly hike lang. About 45 minutes lang yung trek. Ang ganda ng trail, may mga bridges, river crossings, and konting uphill pero super worth it naman. Na-pick up kami around 12 AM na, mahaba-haba rin yung biyahe. By 2-3 AM, nag-stop over kami sa Pangasinan for breakfast. We had a roscaldo lang with boiled egg. At 4:11 AM, nasa Ilocos Sur na kami and by 4:50 AM, dumating na kami sa jump-off wherein sasakay kami ng jeep going to the starting point ng Auasen Falls trek. Medyo madilim pa at that time and actually nilalamig din ako niyan. By 5:30 AM, nasa Auasen jump-off na kami. May quick orientation lang about safety and leave no trace. Then at 5:50 AM, we started the trek papunta sa falls. May bridge agad pero maiksi lang naman and dito pa lang sobrang ganda na ng view. After a few minutes, at 6:10 AM, we reached the second bridge. We took some pictures lang and videos. After the bridge, may mga river crossings na pero may madadaanan naman kayo sa gilid if ayaw nyo sa river pero medyo maputik lang. Nag-stop lang kami saglit kasi ang ganda ng mga spot here so nagpicture din kami. After the river, semento na yung trail with stairs and railings. Honestly, ito talaga yung weakness ko. Mas napapagod ako sa mga ganitong trail. Pero may mga flat parts naman and as you get closer sa falls, puro pababa na yung trail. At 6:52 AM, finally tanaw na namin yung falls. Sobrang ganda niya, ang lakas ng bagsak ng water. Before kami makababa, may nadaanan pa kaming mini falls. Ang ganda rin ng spot for pictures. After that, dumiretso na kami pababa. By 8:10 AM, nakapila na kami para magpicture sa iconic Carrot Peak. Ito yung rock formation right beside the falls. And heads up lang, super lakas ng splash ng water here. Basang-basa na kami. So if pupunta kayo, make sure naka-waterproof yung mga gamit nyo. By the way, weekdays kami pumunta dito so hindi masyadong madami yung tao. Halos kami lang din. Worth it yung 45-minute trek and this is beginner friendly pero of course mag-body prep pa rin kayo para hindi mabigla. At 9:39 AM, we crossed the falls para mag-brunch. After eating, nag-start na kaming bumalik sa jump-off. Medyo mainit na by then so make sure mag-cap kayo or magdala kayo ng payo. Then before 12 PM, sumakay na kami ng jeep papunta sa resort para maligo. At 1:30 PM, we were on our way to La Union. Kasama na to sa package na inavail namin. At 2:51 PM, nag-stop kami sa Kabsat para mag-late lunch. Ang sarap ng food here plus beachfront pa siya. After lunch, pumunta kami sa El Union Coffee and pumunta kami sa beach. And that wraps up our Auasen Falls and La Union adventure. Na-enjoy ko talaga tong trip na to and definitely a must try if you want an easy hike with a super worth it na view. I'm super grateful for this experience and honestly, I feel like babalikan ko pa to. And yeah, see you next Biangscape!